Hey Photoshop enthusiast, today we're diving deep into a fundamental aspect of Photoshop that can significantly enhance your workflow, screen modes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding and mastering these modes will take your editing skill to the next level. So let's jump right in. Alright? So here we are in the Photoshop, and before we start exploring different screen modes, make sure you have opened a project or images you would like to work on. So now talk about that, what screen modes are and why they matters. Okay. The first, we will move into the normal screen mode, and you can find this one by using the view and click over here, the screen modes, and you can get this is the normal or standard screen modes, full screen modes, and the menu bar there's a full screen mode, and you can get here by the same options by standard screen modes, full screen mode with the menu bar, and also the full screen mode. Okay, the normal screen mode, and you can press F. Okay, so this is like before that I will just cancel this one, and here we have the standard one, and the default screen mode is normal. You can toggle through the screen modes using the F key, so you can easily use it. And now you can see is can give you, and its normal mode, you can have your standard Photoshop interfaces with the menus and also the tools and also the panels in the right side. Okay, now I will use the full screen mode and press the C to switch to the full screen mode with the menu bar. If I'm gonna click over here, and now you can see is come up this mode and give you more screen real estate by holding unnecessary distractions along with to focus your artwork while keeping access to the menus. Okay, and this is the next. We will move into the full screen by pressing F again and enter the full screen without the menu bar. This mode provide the maximum current space for your project for perfect immersive editing, and also the full screen modes with all panels hidden. Also you can use the head key toggle showing and hidden all the panels by using this way. Now you can see here and including that also toolbars, also the options as well. You cannot see there's a great for distraction free clean workspace for here. Also the presentation mode, now press the shift plus F again, and in the full screen mode to enter presentation mode. So this is a fantastic for showcasing your work without any Photoshop interface element. Okay, so now that you know the different screen modes, so you can use it, and let's discuss like why they are essential for your Photoshop workflow. Okay, so the screen modes allows you to focus on the details for your project by eliminating unnecessary distractions. Like this is the crucial, especially when working on intricate design or retouching photos. You can work through here. You can just use it, and now you see it is now that this one, the presentation mode, excellent for showcasing your work to client or colleagues without any interface clutter, ensuring a professional and polished presentation. Okay, so congratulations, you have mastered the essential skills. Screen modes. In experiment with these modes can find what works best for your workflow. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.